welcome you all. NIOS welcomes you in this educational video for subject Library and Information Science, code number 339. We are doing lesson number 14. Name of the lesson is Modern Library Services. This video is part 4. Let us now understand the e-resources. Earlier, libraries procured, processed, organized and delivered various print resources like books, journals, newspapers, magazines, etc. All these resources are now available in the electronic forms, which we call as e-forms or e-resource also. Nowadays, we all can access all such resources in the electronic form, and they can actively procure their e-forms like e-journals, e-books, e-thesis, dissertations, and online databases. The libraries subscribe to e-resources and provide access to these resources via internet. The next point. The electronic resources are also known as online resources. They include both born digital material, which has been produced directly online, and print resources which have been scanned and digitized. The term database is used to refer to a collection of records, each of which may have numeric, textual, or image-based data. The databases are usually in a searchable format. It means that there is a search facility or tool which helps users in searching locating and retrieving the information which they need. Next point, library catalogs, OPAC, full text and bibliographical databases are all examples of databases. Next point, as these resources are accessible via internet, they are also known as online resources. Before, these online databases were available as printed sources or on CD-ROMs. Let us now understand e-resources with some examples. The journals published by Elsevier are available online through a database which is popularly known as Science Direct. The second example, the books and the book series journals published by Springer are accessible online through a database which is known as Springer Link. Let us now understand resource sharing. Resource sharing means common use of each other's resources by two or more libraries. Point 2. Resource sharing is also an attempt by libraries to share information resources and services which may be limited or specialized and might not be available with a single library. Point 3. No library can be self-sufficient because of a number of reasons like abundance of information, multiplicity of documents, paucity of space, shortage of staff. Point 4. They form consortia and networks to share online resources like databases, online journals, and books, theses, and dissertations. Point 5. Libraries form an association or network or cooperative organization to procure and share resources and services. These associations or networks are commonly known as consortia. The examples of some consortia are these 2 points you can see online, and you can search. You can go through these links. Let us now understand remote access. Point 1. Libraries provide single sign-on facility to their users for remote access of the resources. A single unique number and password is provided to the member who can access all the resources of the library without visiting the library. Point 3. For example, the libraries use Edge Proxy. This is the name of the software, which is an authentication and accessible software provided by OPAC. Point 4. It helps the users to get remote access to the licensed content of the library. The screen now you can see is the screenshot of JNU, which is Jawaharlal Nehru University, the central library providing remote access to e-resources is shown. So you all can easily search it. Thank you.